Hello, my name is Mario, and today I am going to tell you everything you need to know about the water freedom system before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the water freedom system is, be careful about the website you are going to buy from, because the water freedom system is only sold on the official website. To help you, I have left the link to the official site below in the description of this video, and also in the comment below. People are struggling to get the use of the number also, as the quality of water they need to enjoy, prepare their food, bathe, wash their hands, and grow their dishes. The Water Freedom System offers us a working suggestion for restoration, making water safe to drink without requiring these strong steps. So does it really work? The answer is yes. The Water Freedom System method clarifies a simple system for making water drinkable in virtually any natural and organic environment, using the environment near you. It is a really genuine, clinically validated strategy that most have used productively. The benefit of working with this technique is that it can be achieved by anyone, even if you probably have few resources. This system shows how you can make a contraption that generally turns the most polluted water into drinkable water that you can drink. So yes, you can trust this product, and already many people are having great results with the Water Freedom System, including me. The water is purified and can produce up to 60 gallons of clean, fresh water per day. You too can get results. However, you have to be realistic in your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know. Before you buy it, you can actually test the Water Freedom System for 60 days, and if you do not see results, or if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for it to work, you need to take it seriously. As I started with no knowledge and succeeded, you can be even faster than me. It's really a simple system. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful about the website you are going to buy from, and really hope that this video helped you. I also hope that the Water Freedom System will help you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. I have to clarify that system, there is no maintenance whatsoever because the device is a single assembly. I forgot to mention also about the bonuses I received, really one better than the other, being 4 of them that helped me a lot. Well, if I helped you, leave your like on the video and share it with whoever you think will find it helpful. Thanks for watching.